How to install Cubecart from Fantastico. This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application. Now let's learn how to install Cubecart. Click the Cubecart link here. This is the Cubecart installation screen. Cubecart is an easy-to-use yet powerful shopping cart featuring unlimited categories and products, multiple payment gateways, and downloadable products. The design is very easy to modify. Click the New Installation link here. Accept the End-User License Agreement, then click Continue. Enter the name of the directory you want to install in, or leave this field blank for installation in the root directory. Enter an admin username and password in the following boxes. Then enter an admin email address. Enter the admin's name. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation. That's it! Cubecart has been successfully installed in your account and is ready for you to start configuring it. Click here to log in to your new installation. Log in using the admin username and password you assigned during installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install Cubecart to your account from within Fantastico. Thank you for watching.